Antonucci Boulevard in Garfield Heights, late Friday. Nearby residents are puzzled when this tornado siren starts sounding for no apparent reason.
Because I remember sitting on my couch and she was next to me and we heard the sirens and I'm like, those are tornado sirens.
I've never heard tornado siren before. So he told me that and I was like, are you like messing around with me, like trying to scare me or something?
Garfield Dispatch says the siren would have to have been set off by dispatchers in Walton Hills, where at least 2 of their 3 sirens were also going off.
We just got a call of a resident on Sagamore Road saying that they heard the sirens going off, and also one of our auxiliary officers happened to be at T.G. Young Park and he had heard it.
Garfield had called about 20 minutes prior to that. Their dispatchers were going into work for their shift. Their siren was going off. They called us, which is the reasonable thing to do, is to call us first and see if we set off the sirens. And I'm like, I didn't touch anything.
Dispatcher Shannon Cartier was at the controls, says it's actually impossible to set them off accidentally.
So that green light will light up. That's all the sirens. This page safety button is blinking. Once I hit that, then there's going to be a tone that comes over the radio.
And in order to intentionally hack into the system and set off 3 random sirens, someone would have to know the individual codes for each of those sirens.
It's not going to happen. Not going to happen at all.
Cartier immediately sent a code red message to Walton Hills residents, telling them to disregard the sirens. They were not set off by us. Why and who actually did it and from where remains a mystery.
This is very frustrating because everybody's saying we didn't do anything.
You don't know what to believe. You know, here we are. We don't know if we're going to have anything that's...
People shouldn't joke around about that because there's people who take that seriously. Me personally, I think it's screwed up, and I hope it doesn't happen again.